In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change URL link on Stan Store products. We'll walk through this together step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to update a product link, what part you're allowed to change, and what you need to update afterwards so nothing breaks. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled My Store and click on it. This will open your main store view. At the top, you'll see your store header, and just below that, you'll see a list of all your products. Now, choose the specific product whose URL you want to edit. Click on that product to open its editor page. Inside the product editor, look towards the top of the screen. You should see 3 different tabs. One of those tabs is called Options. Go ahead and click the Options tab to open the settings for that product. Once you're in the Options section, scroll down to the bottom until you see a section called Advanced. Click on Advanced to expand it. This is where the more detailed settings live, including the URL settings for your product page. After expanding this section, you'll see the current URL for that product. It will usually show your main store domain followed by a specific ending for this product. Here's the important part. You can only change the last part of the URL, also known as the slug. That's the text that comes after the final slash. You can't change the main domain, but you can update that ending to something shorter, clearer, or more on brand. For example, you might want to use the product name or a keyword that's easy for your customers to remember. Make your edits carefully and avoid spaces or special characters. Use dashes if you need to separate words. Before you finalize it, be aware that changing this URL ending will break the old link. That means any place where you've already shared the previous link will no longer work unless you update it. So after you change the URL, make sure you go back and update it everywhere. Your link in bio, any email links, your social media posts, any ads you're running, and any funnels or automation that point to this product. Once you're happy with the new URL and you've noted where you need to update it, scroll down and click Publish at the bottom right. That will save your changes and push the new link live.